Dear friends, today we will discuss exercise 2.2 question number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. Here we will use only one property, that is distributive property. The property is A into B plus C, B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. We will use this distributive property, right? Now solution for A, question number A. Question number A is 738 into 103. Now we can write it like this: 738, in bracket we can write 100 plus 3, right? Now you can write here as 738 into 100 to 100 plus 738 into 3. Now if we multiply this one, we will get 73800, plus if we multiply 738 with 3, we are getting 738 into 3. 3 is 24, 2, 4, 3 is 9, 10, 11, carry 1, here it is 1, 3 is 21, plus 1, 22. That means we will add here 2, 2, 1, 4, right? Now we will add this number, that is 73800, we are adding 4, 1, 2, 2. Now we will get, this is 7, 4, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 6, and this is 7. Therefore, we are getting the answer as 76104. If we put the comma after 3 digits, we are putting the comma 76,104. This is the answer of question A. Now we will do question number B, right? We will do question number B. Now we are doing question number B. Now the B is, the number is given as 854 into 102. Now we can write it like this: 854 into 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now we multiply this one, 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. If we multiply this number, we are getting 85400 plus 854 will be multiplied by 2. That is 4 to the 8, 5 to the 10, carry 1, here this is 0, it is 16 plus 1, 17, 1708. and we can write it here as 1708. If we add the number, that is 8, 5, 4, 0, 0 and 1708. We are adding this number and we are getting 8, this is 0, 7 plus 4 11, carry 1, 5 1 6, 7, 7, it is 8, 87,108. Therefore the answer is 87,108. This is the answer or solution of question number B. Now we will see to next question, that is question number C, right? Now to next question, that is question number C. Now do question number C. Here you see we are doing question number C. In C it is given as 258 into 1008, 1008. Now it can be written as 258 into 1008 can be written as 1000 plus 8. Now we can rewrite here is equal to 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. Now if we multiply 258, 258, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. If you put the commas after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, right? And here if we multiply 258 by 8 and multiplying this one, 8 is 64, 6 carry, it is 4. Here it is 40 plus 6, that is 46, 4 carry, here it is 6, 8 is 16, 16 plus 4 20, 2064. We will add this one, we are getting 2064. Now we will add this one, that is 2 5 8 0 0 0 and add 4 6 0 2. If we add this one, we are getting 4, it is 6, it is 0, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6 and 2. If put the commas, here one comma, here another comma. Therefore the answer will be, therefore the answer will be 2 6 0 0 6 4. We put the comma after 3 digits and after 2 digits. This is the answer of question number C. Okay, in this way we can use the distributive property to solve the problem. Now we will do question number D. I will do question number D. Right, question number D. The question number D is here. Here also we are using the distributive property 1 0 0 5 into 168. Therefore 1005 can be written as 1000 plus 5 into 168. Now if we multiply 168 into 1000 plus 168 into 5. Now if we multiply this one, we are getting 16830. Put the commas here after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, plus if we multiply 168 by 5, 168 by 5, that means 5 8 is 40, 4, it is 0, 5 is 30 plus 4, 34, 3, it is 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 840, 8, 4, 0. Therefore, adding their two numbers 1, 6, 8, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, putting the commas, 840, 0, 4, 8. If we add, we are getting 0, 4, 8, 8, 6, 1. If we put the commas, right, therefore the answer will be 1, 6, 8, 8, 4, 0. This is the answer of the question D. Thus, that means we have to use the distributive property to solve all these problems A, B, C and D, and that is A into B plus C is equal to A into C plus A into B plus A into C. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.